sales is actually like being a doctor for their business, for your prospect's business. You're trying to diagnose what the problem is in the business, not just to sell your product or service, but to get an accurate diagnosis. And only when you have an accurate diagnosis can you prescribe the correct medication. So you don't want to jump on a sales call and just try to pitch your product before you know if that's even what they need, before you know what is really wrong with their business, what is the disease. So try to diagnose that really, really well at first before you even pitch your product, because maybe your product is not even the right thing for them. So you have to be okay with that. But usually when people jump on a call, then there's probably a good chance that your product will be something that can help them. But if not, then don't pitch and then try to help them instead to find something that will suit them. And you'll win their trust. And then when they do need your help, then you'll be the first in line for them to reach out to. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.